Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix laptop plugged but not Charing issue. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Power, click Run this troubleshooter. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand batteries. Right-click any entries under batteries, update driver one by one. Browse my computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Restart system. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand batteries. Uninstall device under all entries under batteries. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.